Imagine running an online store that sells hundreds of products, but you don't own a single item. You never touch a single box, and your warehouse is basically someone else's garage. Sounds like cheating, right? Nope, it is called dropshipping. And in 2025, it is one of the most talked about side hustles out there. Let's be real, most of us don't have the money to buy 1,000 phone cases up front, rent a storage unit, and spend our weekends begging the UPS guy to pick up packages. We want a business that doesn't eat up our savings or our sanity. That's the beauty of dropshipping. You can sell products online without holding inventory. Think of it like being the matchmaker between the product and the customer, while someone else plays Cupid with shipping. Here's the kicker: e-commerce sales in the US are expected to keep skyrocketing. More people shop online than ever, and they want convenience, variety, and fast shipping. That's where you come in. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to start dropshipping in 2025, what's changed, what still works, and how you can actually turn this into a profitable side hustle. And trust me, this is not just about making pocket change. Done right, this could be your path to financial freedom without a single box sitting in your bedroom. Let's get into it. Number 1. What dropshipping actually is, 2025 version. Okay, let's clear this up. Dropshipping is when you set up an online store. Customers order from you and a third-party supplier ships directly to them. You don't stock inventory and you don't handle shipping. But here's the 2025 update. Customers expect faster delivery, better quality, and way more trust. So no, you can't just slap random products from a sketchy supplier on AliExpress and call it a day. So if the model still works, how much money can you actually make? Number 2, how profitable is dropshipping in 2025? Let's talk numbers. Profit margins in dropshipping usually fall between 20% to 40% depending on the product. Sell a $50 gadget? You might pocket $15 to $20 after costs. Now imagine scaling. With the right products and marketing, people are pulling in $1,000 to $5,000, even $10,000 plus a month in profit. But don't get FOMO. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You will need patience and smart choices, and that all starts with the golden question. What products should you even sell? Number 3, finding winning products. Here's where beginners sink or swim. In 2025, winning products share 3 traits. 1, they solve a problem. 2, they are hard to find in local stores. 3, they make people say, I need that now. Examples? Eco-friendly kitchen gadgets, pet accessories, or trending fitness tools. Use tools like TikTok trends, Google Trends, or product research platforms to spot hot items. And remember, if you wouldn't buy it, don't sell it. Okay, you have got the product idea. Now you need a place to actually sell it. Number 4, choosing your store platform. This part matters. You have options. 1, Shopify, the most popular with tons of apps. 2, WooCommerce, WordPress. Flexible and cheaper long-term. 3, Etsy or eBay. Great for testing demand. 4, Shopify is beginner-friendly, but don't sleep on marketplaces. They already have traffic built in. But a store is nothing without suppliers, so let's talk about the people actually shipping your products. Number 5, finding reliable suppliers. Suppliers are the backbone of dropshipping. If they mess up, your customer blames you. Popular options. 1, CJ Dropshipping, faster US shipping. 2, Spocket, connects you with US and EU suppliers. 3, Printful/Printify, custom print-on-demand products. Pro tip, always order samples. You will know the quality, the packaging, and the shipping times before trusting your reputation to them. Now you have got your store and suppliers, but how do you get people to actually buy? Number 6, marketing that works in 2025. Forget the old days of spammy Facebook ads. Customers are smarter. What works now? 1, TikTok organic. Post short videos showing the product in action. 2, Instagram Reels and Stories. Great for lifestyle products. 3, influencer partnerships. Micro-influencers with 5,000 to 20,000 followers often convert better than celebrities. 4, paid ads. Still work, but you need strong creatives. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy the solution. So sell the benefit, not just the gadget. But here's a mistake beginners keep making, and it kills their business. Number 7, common dropshipping mistakes to avoid. 1, selling low-quality junk refunds galore. 2, ignoring customer service. 1 angry TikTok review can tank you. 3, copy-pasting supplier photos makes you look cheap. 4, trying to sell everything instead of focusing on a niche. Think of it like dating. You don't want to be the person who's kind of into everything. Pick a niche and commit. So if mistakes can sink you, what separates the winners? Number 8. Building a brand, not just a store. In 2025, branding is everything. Customers don't want to buy from random dropship store 123.com. They want to buy from a brand they trust. Here's how. 1. Create a clean logo and consistent colors. 2. Use real product photos or videos. 3. Write product descriptions that feel human, not robotic. When your store feels like a legit brand, customers stick, trust grows, and your profits climb. And here's the real game changer, scaling your dropshipping hustle beyond extra cash into a serious business. Number 9. Scaling your dropshipping business. Once you have proven a product works, scaling is about multiplying. Increase ad spend on what is already working. Expand into related products, upsells and bundles. Automate order processing and emails with apps. Eventually, consider private labeling your own branded version of the product. That's when you go from middleman to full-blown entrepreneur. Number 10. Handling customer service like a pro. Here is the part nobody glamorizes, but it's what makes or breaks your dropshipping business: customer service. Think about it. If a customer has a question or their package is delayed, who do they message? Not your supplier, you. And how you handle that moment can turn a frustrated buyer into a loyal repeat customer. The trick is to set up systems early. Use apps or chatbots for FAQs, but always make sure real human support is available when needed. Be honest. If shipping takes 10 days, don't promise 3. Respond quickly. Keep communication friendly and always look for ways to surprise your customers with better service than they expected. In 2025, great customer support isn't just a bonus, it's your competitive edge in a world full of faceless online stores. Number 11. Long-term sustainability, thinking beyond. Quick wins. Most beginners treat dropshipping like a sprint. Let me find one hot product, cash in, and bounce. But the real winners see it as a marathon. Long-term sustainability means thinking about repeat customers, not just one-time buyers. Ask yourself, how can I build an ecosystem around my niche? If you're selling fitness gear, maybe expand into supplements or workout apps. If it's pet products, create bundles or offer seasonal items. Another big factor, compliance. With stricter ad policies and rising consumer awareness, selling knockoffs or overhyped junk will burn you fast. Instead, play the long game. Focus on products with staying power, nurture your email list, and create offers that keep customers coming back. Dropshipping isn't dead in 2025, but the quick cash mindset is. Treat it like a real business, and it will pay you like one. So let's recap. 1. Dropshipping in 2025 is alive and well, but smarter and faster. 2. You don't hold inventory, you just connect products to customers. 3. Success depends on finding winning products, choosing reliable suppliers, and marketing creatively. 4. Avoid beginner mistakes, focus on branding, and scale strategically. Now, instead of seeing dropshipping as some complicated mystery, you have got a roadmap from idea to income. Tell me in the comments, if you started tomorrow, what niche would you choose? Tech gadgets, fitness, pets, or something else? I want to know. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more side hustle guides, and share it with a friend who's been talking about starting something online but has not made a move yet. And don't miss the next video, how to become an affiliate marketer. Fast. If you have ever wanted to earn commissions by recommending products without managing a store at all, that one's going to blow your mind. Until then, keep building, keep experimenting, and remember, your business doesn't need boxes in your garage to make money.